let me share guys your journey. O ano ba yung roadmap ng pagiging trader nyo? And ito guys is write this down. By the way, are you guys prepare your notes, ball pen? Kasi mas madali kayong matuto talaga. Remember, kung how serious are you to learn in this industry, ganoon ka rin kadaling kumita. Kung gaano ka kaseryoso na matuto, ganoon ka rin kadaling kumita. Kasi, ganoon naman talaga sa lahat ng bagay. Kung seryoso ka sa trabaho, kung seryoso ka, mapropromote ka talaga. In any business, kung siseryosohin mo talaga, may mangyayari talaga sa'yo. Same thing here. How serious are you? How focused are you? Will be determine your result in the next 30 days. Alright? So, let's the journey begin. So, tonight, nandito tayo guys sa stage 1. Ang tinatawag is mindset. Before anything else, gusto kong i-share sa inyo kung ano ba yung tamang mindset ng pagiging isang successful na forex trading, lalo na kung baguhan ka pa lang. Because understanding this journey guys, understanding yung topic tonight, ito yung gap kung magsasucceed ka sa forex or hindi ka magsasucceed. Maraming nag-fail kasi hindi nila naintindihan itong gap na ito, which is dito tayo mag-start tonight. Okay? So your journey number 1 is step 1 guys is mag-start kayo with mindset. Do you agree that lahat magsisimula sa mind? Siyempre, if you think na kaya mo to, kakayanin mo talaga. Diba? But if you think na, ay, kaya ko kaya to, then you have a lot of doubts. So, maybe at the end, maging doubtful ka rin. So, ano ba yung tamang mindset sa pagiging isang forex trading? Ano ba yung tamang mindset? Kasi as I understand this one, nagiging isang malaking failure din ako as a forex trading. Patagal ako natuto at malaki yung natalo ko. Not unless I understand this principle. Okay. So, that's your journey number 1. After that, pupunta tayo guys sa mechanics. Okay. So, number 2, mechanics. Anong ibig sabihin ng mechanics? Ano ba yung mechanism? How to trade, how to use MT5, how to execute your trades, how to set TP, how to set SL, how to close the trade. Yun yung mechanism, yung mechanismo. Okay, mechanics, answer the question, how to trade. Paano ba? Paano ba mag-execute ng buy? Paano mag-execute ng sell? Paano mag-execute ng TP, SL, and so on, using cellphone and MT5. Alright, that's number 2. Number 3, can you type market analysis? Sisimulan natin ang market analysis with a bang. Kasi as early as mag-start tayo guys ng XAU Sniper. Okay, so share natin yung XAU Sniper. So actually, ang XAU Sniper guys is under method because strategy siya. Pero since nasa mga 3 strategy ang isi-share namin sa inyo in this journey, so uunahin ko si Hero 30 kasi hindi pwedeng, halimbawa Wednesday strategy, Saturday strategy, nagugulaan kayo. Kasi ang gagawin natin yan, every strategy at least mayroon kang i-practice mo yan. 1 week, 2 weeks. Before another strategy, after another strategy. So kailangan mo i-practice. Okay. But the market analysis guys will help you understand the behavior of the market. We're talking about the trends, we're talking about support resistance, we're talking about mga key levels, we're talking about candlesticks. We'll be teaching you how to read and to analyze the market para magkaroon kayo ng high accuracy position. High accuracy position. So that's number 2, or number 3 rather. Number 4 naman is yung method. Ano ba yung paraan para manalo ka? Okay? Ano ba yung method? Ano ba yung strategy na gagawin natin para manalo ka? So we have XAU Sniper. That's one strategy, which is next week. We have DG30 scalping. Okay? Which Yahatlan, you will be accessed through live trading. And we have SMI indicator, which is meron kang ipa-follow na super indicator para gawin mo siyang confluences. But lahat ng method guys is importante na matuto ka sa market analysis. So it's a cheat code, it's a shortcut, pero it's like meron kang ang tools. Mekaniko ka, meron kang tools. Pero hindi mo naman alam kung paano i-troubleshoot. Wala ka namang knowledge about pagiging isang mekaniko. Diba? So yung tools, ang problem kasi sa iba, masyado na silang dependent sa tools. Masyado silang dependent sa AI. Yung trading nila AI because I was also there. So nagtitrade ako ng AI. So yung natalo ako, wala akong kamuang sa mundo. Bakit natalo? Hindi ako natuto. So here, meron tayong tools, meron tayong method, but I'm not saying hindi mo na kailangan yung market analysis. But don't worry guys, hindi natin ibibigay lahat. Because understanding guys, analysis, kailangan mo dito ng 7 days full-time learning, 5 to 7 days full-time learning para aralin. Hindi natin ibigay lahat para hindi kayo maguluhan. Ibigay lang natin kung ano yung relevant doon sa mga strategy natin. Alright? Kasi yun nga, hindi na natin hintayin yung 6 months or 2 years para matuto kayo at kumita. Ang goal natin guys is compressed learning, intensive learning. Ang goal natin guys, if after 30 days, dapat kumita na ko kayo. Another guys is after you learn the analysis, market analysis, okay, or technical analysis, after you learn the method, and then mastery. Lahat ng bagay gusto mong maging valuable ka, kailangan mong i-master. So learn the strategy, execute, learn, execute, learn, execute, learn, execute, learn, execute, hanggang ma-master mo. So I required you guys here to trade every day, at least 30 minutes a day. Trade every day, pero demo. Okay, hindi lang basta practice yung mastery. Learn, trade, execute, adjust, i-journal mo, and then execute, adjust, execute. Ganun siya. So, hindi lang siya basta practice lang. Alright? So, yun yung journey mo, or yun yung journey natin sa pagiging isang zero knowledge hanggang maging profitable trader ka. Remember, number 5, mastery. So, kaya guys, importante, i-master mo. For tonight guys, ano ba yung number 1 sa journey? Mindset. So for tonight guys, I'll be talking about mindset to succeed in forex trading. Anyone na nagsasabi sila na hindi kailangan yung mindset sa forex trading guys, anyone na yun yung philosophy niya, ibig sabihin niyan yung person na yun, mali yung mindset niya. Number 2, anyone na sinasabi na mindset is not important in forex, especially in forex trading guys. In business, this is very important. In financial success, it's very important. Remember, I am a licensed financial consultant. In business, it's very important. In forex trading, the more na important. Anyone they think that mindset is not important. Yung taong nagsasabi na mindset is not important, simple lang masasabi ko yan. At least, I'm sorry for the word, hindi sila successful. Bakit? Unang-una, mali yung mindset nila. So for tonight, we'll talk about ano ba yung tamang mindset para maging successful ka sa forex trading. Okay, ano ba yung tamang mindset? Your mind is your greatest asset. So let's do it. The objective of this training, guys, is to aim to cultivate a very powerful mindset. Which is, again, I said, this is very important in your forex trading journey. Pag i-develop mo yung confidence mo sa training, mag-start yan sa mind. Kasi habang nagtitrade ka nga, wala kang confident, sa Bisaya, duha-duha ka. Ano ba yan sa Tagalog, guys? Nagduha-duha ka. So that's not good for you. Remember, when you enter the market, you need to enter the market with full of confidence. Dapat confident ka. So learn to take control of responsibility and mas mabilis yung growth mo kung magkaroon tayo, guys. Actually, mindset is one of the hack in forex trading. One of the greatest hack. in forex trading. Alright guys, number one. Number one mindset. Number one mindset guys. Okay. So number one mindset guys, believe that it's possible. When I decide to go back to trading, ang pinakaunang ginagawa ko is I need to convince myself that this is possible. Kailangan kong i-convince yung sarili ko na kaya ko itong ipanalo. I need to convince yourself na kikita ulit ako dito at bamangon ako dito. I need to convince myself that through this trading, mabubuhay ko ulit yung pamilya ko. Are you with me? I need to convince yourself that through this trading, makakabayad ako ng utang. And by the way guys, tama ho. If you are here, kasi ang isang reason why mo, motivation mo, is gusto mo makabayad ng utang, yes, tama ho. Marami na ho nakabayad ng utang dahil sa forex trading. You need to believe that it's possible. Now, medyo alanganin pa yung paniniwala mo, kailangan i-convince mo yung sarili mo. O mayroon akong assignment mamaya sa dulo para it will help you na at least ma-cultivate yung belief system mo sa sarili mo at sa ginagawa mo. Ang question na lang is, ikaw, kung paano mo to gagalingan mo ba? Bibigay mo ba yung consistent mo dito? Bibigay mo ba yung 100% mo dito? Okay? So, hindi ka masusuko kahit natatalo ka initially. So, it's up to you. But the first principle, the first mindset that I want you to understand, that you need to believe that it is possible. Because your belief system, guys, yun ang mag-shape up sa trading journey. Success begins with a strong belief in yourself. Naniniwala ka. Kasi ang industry ng trading, nandyan na yan eh. Dami nang naging milyonaryo sa crypto, dami naging milyonaryo sa trading. Sa stock market, marami na. Ang dyan eh, nandun eh. Ang question is hindi yung industry. Ang question is sa sarili mo. Okay? So, expect positive outcome. Before ka pumasok sa trade, dapat mayroon kang positive na yung out expectation mo. Huwag kang pumunta sa trade na, ay, mag-trade na naman ako, talo na naman ako nito. Ay, New York session na, magte-trade naman ako, sunog na naman ako nito. Huwag ka na lang mag-trade kung ganun yung mindset mo. Pwede ka bang magbukas ng tindahan na sasabihin mo sa sarili mo, ay, magbubukas na akong tindahan, wala na namang lugi na naman ito. Diba? Hindi pwede. Diba? So, when you go out from your house, kung naghahanap ka ng trabaho, you need to have a positive outlook in life. It's not positivity. It's just that when you want to have a positive results, hindi mo makukuha yan kung negative yung mindset mo. So, nakakaroon ka dapat ng positive outcome. Okay? Para dun sa action mo. And then, daily affirmations, mamaya, meron ng assignment. Daily affirmations to build you. Yung iba nga, may mga rituals, guys. So, yung iba, nag-praise and worship pa, nag-pray pa. Yung iba, mayroon pa sila meditation. May mga rituals yan, guys, para you will stay focused at makaka-create ng positive vibrations doon sa trade nila. So, but more importantly, guys, this step is aims you na kung papasok ka dito, guys, huwag ka nang mag-atubili. Kung magte-trade ka naman lang, huwag kang magdadalawang isip. Kung tumalon ka, tumalon ka. Kasi ganito talaga yung market. Sometimes you need to risk talaga. So, pag hindi ka pa seryoso dyan, yung unang person na ika-convince you is yourself. Alright? So, believe that it's possible. Can you start? It's possible. Posible. Posible, nakikita ako dito. Posible, nakakabayad ako ng utang. Posible na pwede ako mag-forgo dito. Posible na yayaman ako dito. Kung hindi ko pinaniwalaan itong industry na ito, hindi ko pinaniwalaan yung sarili ko, hindi ko pinaniwalaan si Lord na i-bless ako dito, guys. Hindi ito mangyayari sa buhay ko ngayon. if there's one thing na makuha nyo tonight, ito yun. Kasi, ang belief system mo, your belief, it can produce miracle. Your belief, guys, that can produce miracle. Are you with me? Next mindset, guys, I want you to understand that this is your journey. It's not about me, but it's about you. You need to understand that this trading journey, it's not about me. It's about you. This is your journey. This is your journey to learn financial market. This is your journey to understand trading. This is your journey to learn the highest paying skills. And this is your journey towards financial freedom. This is your journey towards paying your debt. This is your journey towards buying your dream car. This is your journey towards buying your house and lot. This is your journey towards freedom. This is you. Own it. So your success in Forex trading, everything entirely is in your hands. Nasa kamay. Wala sa kamay. Nasa kamay. I want you to understand this one as early as now. That yung success mo dito, hindi dahil sa strategy ni coach, hindi dahil may coach ka. No. Ang success mo dito dahil sa execution. That's why you need to take ownership. Kasi ikaw naman, this is your journey. This is not my journey. Yes, iba-iba tayo ng journey, but this is your journey. Your journey begins with your personal accountability. Ikaw yung nag-trade. Kaya nga, I don't like to, kung napansin nyo guys, I don't like to promote copy trade. And then I don't like also to promote AI trading. Unang-una, I don't like AI trading kasi many times ako nasunugan dyan. Pangalawa, nag-trade ka, nag-deposito ka, nag-invest ka, hindi ka natuto. Kung naging profitable ka, well and good. Kung natalo ka, hindi ka natuto. At least in this trading journey, kung natalo ka, that's good. Kung nanalo ka, that's good. Kung natalo ka, natuto ka. So you have an opportunity to grow. You have an opportunity to become a better trader. So no one can do the work for you. Kung gusto mong magka-bicep, pwede mo bang sabihin ni coach, okay, magka-bicep ka, anong tawag ng, bicep curl, ganyan, bicep curl, okay. So gusto ko magka-bicep coach, okay, sabi ni coach, sige, mag-bicep curl ka, 20 times, and then 3 repetition. Pwede mo masabihin na, coach, ayaw ko mahina yung pakiramdam ko. Pwede ba ikaw na lang yung mag-push up para sa akin? Para lumaki yung katawan ko. Pwede ba yun? Pwede ba? Gusto kong lumaki yung katawan ko pero ayaw ko mag-push up. Pwede ba ikaw mag-push up para sa akin? Yun. That's the point. I can't do the push up for you. You need to do it with yourself. Embrace your business. Business mo to eh. Hindi ito business mo. Business mo to. Kaya maraming OFW, listen up guys. Maraming OFW nagpadala ng pera sa Pilipinas para sa negosyo ni Bunso, para negosyo ni Kuya, para kay nanay, para kay tatay. Nangyari hindi naging successful. Bakit? Iba yung gusto mo, iba yung gusto nila, iba yung drive mo, iba yung drive nila. Are you with me? Are you listening? Are you connected? Are you connected? So this time, I want you to own this one. Understand that this is your business. In other words, if it is to be, it's up to me. If it is to be, if kung gusto ko maging successful, guys, sa totoo lang, ngayon, na parang si Miss Pai na, ngayon, na nalaman ko na itong negosyo nito, nasabi ko talaga sa sarili ko, nandito lang pala ang pinakamabilis kumita ng pera. Pero ang problema, ang tao, una, hindi naniniwala. Pangalawa, they don't take responsibility out. Ang point ko is, you need to own it. Business motto. Are you with me? Listening? That's number 2. Number 3, since you own this one, guys, I want you to take 100% accountability. 100% accountability. Anong ibig sabihin nito? Ikaw may role ka sa success. Okay. Ang problem kasi, hindi lang ito sa trading May kakilala ba kayong tao na if ever there's a very, very wrong situation, nag-iisip na sila kung sinong i-blame? May kakilala ba kayong tao na kapag ka may mali, alam na nila kung sino yung i-blame? Ikaw kasi, si kuya kasi, si coach kasi, kasi. Do you know, guys, that one is a very toxic behavior? Do you know that blaming is a very toxic behavior against success? Now, kung gusto nating maging successful dito, tanggalin natin yan. Wala tayong i-blame. Hindi kay coach, hindi sa market, hindi sa... Kasi ikaw naman yung nag-trade Coach, mali Mali yung tinuro mo. Bakit ikaw naman yung nag-trade? Mali You know what's the problem with that? The problem with that kind of mindset, blaming, very, very, very toxic. You know what's the problem with that? The problem with that, kasi you don't own it, you don't account na mayroon ka ring mali sa situation. Since hindi mo in-acknowledge na nagkamali ka, you cannot improve. You cannot evaluate. Ang point ko dito is that kung may something wrong, naghahanap ka ng someone to blame. The problem with that is that hindi mo makikita yung self mo na dapat mayroon ka ring part sa mali. Kung hindi mo makikita yan, hindi ka makapag-adjust. Are you with me? Kasi in trading, lalo na kung baguhan ka pa lang, many times ka ditong ma-fail. Many times ka ditong matalo. Many times. So not unless you don't own it, hindi ka makapag-evaluate. Hindi ka makapag-adjust. Yes, that's right, Chris. You can't fix the issue. You can't improve. Kaya dito may journal. Nagkamali ka, isulat mo. Bakit nagkamali? Saan nagkamali? Ay, lumampas ako sa trading rules. Dapat ito yung time na mag-trade, lumampas ako. Dapat ito yung sign, hahanapin ko. Confirmation, confluences, dapat hanapin ko 2-3. Wala pa, pumasok ako. So now that you acknowledge it, you owned it. Alam mo kung paano i-evaluate yung sarili mo. And kung alam mo, magkakaroon ka ng growth. Magkakaroon ka ng discipline. And then, eventually later on, you become a better version of yourself. You become a better trader. Kung walang accountable, mali kasi signal mali kasi puro mali. Paano tayo matuto niyan? So what's number 1? Believe that it's possible. Number 2, it's all about you. It's all about me. Number 3, take 100% accountability. Regardless of whatever outcome you win, that's good. You lose, you learn. Noon lang yun. Acknowledge it. Nagkamali ako din. Acknowledge it. Kasi kung hindi mo ito ma-acknowledge, every trade is an opportunity to win or to learn. Yun lang yun. Every trade is an opportunity to win and to learn. Remember, this is a journey. Next, number 4, trust the process. Proseso to, kapatid. Huwag mong i-half cook. Huwag mong madaliin. Proseso to. Okay? So, alam mo, maraming nag-enroll. Gusto na kaagad di ba? Very excited. Gusto na, saan yung SMI? Saan yung surefire? Wait, hindi pa nga tayo nagsimula. Okay, remember, it's consistency, hindi excitement. Excitement is good. Consistency. Okay? But may proseso eh. Guys, ito. Take my lead, we'll take the process. So for this week, guys, we'll talk about mindset and we'll talk about mechanics. How to trade execution. Wednesday, introduction, understanding the whole of forex trading, and Saturday we'll do trade execution. And then next week, let's do method and market analysis. So let's talk about trends, market structures, support resistance, candlesticks, formations, and then talk about XAU sniper. Step by step. Yung basic fundamentals talaga sa forex trading and sa technical analysis. So lahat may proseso. Okay, lahat may proseso. Success is a journey. So here, you need to be patient. You need to stay consistent. And you need to be committed. Are you willing to went to process? Are you ready to lose? Kasi yes, may mga araw talaga na matatalo ka. But remember guys, it's not about losing. It's how you handle it and how you manage your risk. Which is mayroon na tayong topic about risk management. Okay? Are you ready to win? Are you ready to lose? Kasi hindi pwedeng lahat ng trade panalo. Yun sa trading, marami dito umiyak eh. You know what guys? I really Filipino guys, grabe, palaban tayo. You are very resilient survivor tayo guys. But I have a problem with the Filipino mindset guys, is that Filipinos are emotional. Filipinos are emotional. So in trading guys, kailangan mo mag-trade, you remove emotion. Walang iyakin dito. Kasi habang naka-cloud ka sa emotion mo, habang ano ka sa emotion mo, nadadala ka sa emotion mo, hindi ka makapag-generate ng tamang decision making. Kaya in trading, mayroon tayong kasabihan dito na high emotion equals low IQ. High emotion, low IQ. So kung natalo ka, wag kang umiyak. Kumuha ka ng papel, ballpen, tingnan mo yung trade mo, evaluate mo, saan ka nagkamali. And contrary, high IQ equals low emotion. Yun yung goal natin eh. Mataas yung IQ, tamang pag-iisip, tama yung decision making. Kapag ka natalo, okay, tanggapin mo. Move on. Kaya guys, ang maraming problema. Nasaktan, hindi nag-move on, hindi tinanggap eh. Yak! Sa pakikilan dyan. Ganun din sa trading. Diba? Natalo ka, move on. Patuloy. Huwag kang magstay doon sa emotion na nagdadrama ka pa. When you lose, you need to understand that hindi lahat ng trade mo makukuha mo. Evaluate, saan nakamali. Nag-shift na yung market, nag-shift na yung trend, ito pa rin yung position mo, okay, sulat mo. Are you hearing this one, guys? Are you hearing this one? Trust the process. Trust the process. Lahat yun. Lahat yun. Discipline, emotional discipline. So kung manalo ka, celebrate wins. Screenshot mo, guys. Say congratulations. Ito, guys. Nanalo ka 1,000 USD. By the way, demo lang yan, ha? Demo lang. Okay, di ba? At least sasaya ka. Di ba? So you need to trust the process. Proseso po. Hindi po shortcut. Ang mga mahahaling bagay, may proseso. Kaya si gold, napaka-precious kasi mataas yung proseso. Diamond, napaka-precious kasi may proseso. You cannot shortcut a quality product. You cannot shortcut a quality product. Walang shortcut po sa quality product. So if you want to be a quality trader, You need to trust the process. At least, guys, 30-day challenge. 30 days of focus. Fail forward. Normal yan, tanggapin mo. Huwag kang mag-expect na pumasok ka dito, lahat ng tira mo pasok. But, you need to understand, unang-una, losses are normal. Number 2, you need to learn from it. Number 3, you need to use it to become a better version. To become a better trader. Normal yan. Kaya may journal. Dapat may sarili kang notebook. May sarili kang notebook. Lesson mo, trades mo, lahat separate yan. Naka-notebook yan. Naka-journal yan. Seryoso ka. Seryoso ka dito. Kaya iti-take note mo. Kasi, another problem is that, yung ibang daming losses nila to, hindi kasi nag-journal. Hindi nila ma-absorb yung mga lessons, mga mistakes na dapat. Those are very important. Okay? Alright. And then, define your income goals. Clarity. Create focus. Magkano ba yung gusto mo? Sige nga. Magkano ba yung gusto mong kitain dito sa forex trading in 1 month? So, define your goals. Dapat alam mo. Bakit mo to ginagawa? Visualize mo to everyday. Okay? Guys, in conclusion, you need to understand, especially in trading, that mastering your mindset leads to your forex success. And your mindset is your superpower. Your mindset is your superpower. Your mindset bridge the gap between learning forex trading and to be successful in forex trading. Are you with me? Your mindset bridge the gap between dito nagsisimula ka at maging successful ka. Yan yung dahilan kung maging successful ka man dito, because you have a strong mindset. And by the way guys, in trading you need to be tough. Hindi pwedeng iyakin. Hindi pwedeng emotional. Hindi pwedeng madrama. Tanggapin mo, natalo ka, isulat mo. You need to be tough. Same thing in business. I've seen a lot of financially successful people. Walang drama sa buhay nila. These people are tough guy. Even sa mga challenges, marunong silang magdala. You need to be tough in this situation. Trading. Kaya nga, ang positive traits ng Pilipino, kasi tayo, survival tayo. Survival. Pwede tayo mag-survive. Okay? Pangalawa is magagaling tayo. Magaling tayo sa math. Kasi kailangan dito medyo magaling din ang konti. Yun ay maganda. Resilient tayo. Okay, resilient. I like the term. Resilient tayo. Hindi tayo basta-basta nag-give up. Resilient. Nagsusurvive tayo sa mga challenges. But yung cons naman, yung negative side naman is madrama yung Pilipino. Madrama at emotional. So yan yung tatanggalin natin. So walang drama, walang emotional. This is very important. Very strong mindset is essential. I would say not only in forex trade, in business and in your financial journey. Assignment number 1 guys, assignment. Dapat meron kang sariling notebook. Learning mo at yung trading journal mo. Okay, kahit isa lang. Yung mga trades mo, record mo. Okay, assignment number 2 guys, isulat mo why. Ano yung why mo? Why you are doing this one? Bakit mo ito ginagawa? Sulat mo why. Alright? Assignment number 3. Dapat alam mo kung magkano yung gusto mong kitain per month. Yung tama-tama lang na madali mo lang i-convince yung sarili mo. Huwag yung, I want to earn 100 million. Tapos hindi mo makakonvince yung sarili mo. Okay? I suggest 100,000 times 2 sa existing kita mo ngayon, times 3 sa existing kita mo ngayon. Diba? Kasi before 1 million, kailangan din ng 500,000. So, copy. That's assignment number 3. Okay? And then, Part of the assignment number 3, guys, is magsulat na kayo. Mag-journal kayo. Ganito, guys, oh. Sulat nyo, ha. Ganito. Isulat nyo. I'm happy and grateful that I now earned 500 USD per month. Dapat may time element. I am happy and grateful that I have earned 100K, 100,000 pesos per month. Ganyan ang format. Kasi part yan. Remember, kailangan mo i-convince yung sarili mo. Okay, assignment ito, guys. Gagawin mo ito. Every day. I'm happy and grateful. Yan, ito magandang format. I'm happy and grateful that I now earn 500 USD per month. Yun, that's good. 1,000 pesos per month. Okay, I'm happy and grateful. Tapos, guys, isulat mo 50 times in one day. 50 times in one day. Ay, coach, akala ko trading. Akala ko, coach, gusto kong kumita. Yun nga, madali nga ito eh. Mas madali ito kayo isulat. Kung hindi mo kaya isulat yung 1 million mo dito, mahirap kukunin sa real life. Ito yung hack. Ito yung hack para madali mo makuha. Okay. Walang shortcut. And 50 times a day. I'm happy and grateful that I earned 50K in 1 month. Sulat mo, walang hack. Picturean mo, i-send mo dito, guys, sa Facebook private group natin. Hero 30, the 30-day challenge forex trading. Almost 2,000 ito ngayon. Picturean mo. Copy? Copy. That's assignment number 4. Assignment number 5. Make sure that when you create account, okay, you use VT Markets, you use the link of VT Markets under our community para ma-avail mo yung bonus. Okay? Alright? So that will be your assignment. One thing I can promise you and I guarantee you guys, you will never fail in forex trading. Aha? Grabe yun ah. That's a very big claim. You will never fail. Yes. Yes, you will never fail. You only fail if you quit and you stop. Thank you so much. Good evening. See you on Wednesday.